My name is Navya Shri. I am studying 5th class. My school name is Sri Madhava Reddy Techno School. Today I am telling human body parts. Main parts: head and mouth, arms and feet. Hair, head, chest, stomach, arm, foot, eyebrow to help hold sweat does not enter the eyeball. Ear to hear, mouth to talk and chew, eye to see, nose to smell. Now I am explaining about mouth. Lips to keep food not scattered and to smile. Tongue to keep food not scattered and to smile. Tooth to bite and cut food in the mouth. Arms and legs. Legs for walk and run. Arms for holding something. Okay, thank you.